Hey everyone, let's talk about how to fix sleeper score not updating. So to fix your sleeper score not updating, you can start by first quitting and restarting the app. You see when you open your Sleeper Sports app, and if you find some kind of issue going on with the app, so swipe it up from the bottom of your screen and then swipe it up again to close it completely from a multitasking screen and then reopen it again. Now the next what you can do is offload the app. So let's go to your device settings. Then scroll down to General and then tap on iPhone Storage. Then scroll down to Find Sleeper, or you can just simply search it in your search bar. Now tap Offload App and then reinstall, and then immediately reinstall it. Now the next what you can do is check for the official updates. Just visit the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and find Sleeper Sports, and if you see an update option available here, just tap on update to get the latest version. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. See you in my next